Hey y'all, I'm Lauren. I am hot for food. We're cooking up vegan love today, of course, because it's Wednesday, and I'm here every Wednesday on the Hot for Food YouTube channel making vegan comfort food. And today we're gonna make these vegan kimchi and mushroom stuffed potato cakes. Ugh, who doesn't love a good potato recipe? Everyone does. We're making these crispy. The filling is so savory, slightly spicy. These are like next level delicious. Now, I was inspired by seeing these on Instagram from a few people. I saw some potato cakes. They aren't like this. They didn't have mushrooms and kimchi. But the thing that was missing was a sauce. Ain't nobody put a sauce with their potato cakes. So Hot for Food had to come in and save the day with the sauce. We're gonna make a gochujang aioli, which is a good way for you to use up that gochujang paste that you have for making the bibimbap with the gochujang cauliflower. Remember that recipe? If you don't, click up there. But wait till you watch this. Okay, so that's what we're doing today. Let's just do it. To start, you're gonna add peeled and halved potatoes to a pot of salted water and bring this to a boil. You're gonna boil for 12 to 15 minutes until the potato slides out of a knife smoothly, and then drain the water from the potatoes and add them back into the pot. Mash the warm potatoes until very smooth, and now stir in vegan butter, gluten-free flour, chives, Korean chili powder, sea salt, and ground black pepper. Stir until the mashed potato mixture starts to come together almost like a dough. Now set this aside and let the mixture cool until you can handle it with your hands easily. To make the filling, in a cast iron pan over medium heat, add some vegetable oil, then the mushrooms and onions and sea salt. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes until the liquid evaporates and the mushrooms and onions start to turn brown. Add in shredded carrot and minced garlic and cook for 4 to 5 more minutes. Transfer this finished mixture to a bowl. Add roughly chopped kimchi and chives, and then you can set this aside. To make the gochujang aioli, in a small mixing bowl you can add warm kimchi brine or hot water, some warm lemon juice, and gochujang paste. Then whisk in vegan mayonnaise, garlic, chives, and black pepper. Try that again. Black pepper. Whisk until very smooth. You can leave this at room temperature or refrigerate it until you're serving the potato cakes. To make your potato cakes, measure out 1/4 cup of the potato mixture and use your hands to pack the cup tightly. Then release the potato mixture from the cup so that it holds its shape. You might need to bang it just a little bit. Cut the mound of potato in half horizontally like you're slicing a burger bun. This will be the bottom and top halves of your potato cake. Use a tablespoon to measure out a heaping tablespoon of kimchi mushroom filling, and then place this on 1/2 of the potato mixture. Add a teaspoon of gochujang aioli into the center, slightly spreading it with the back of the teaspoon, but not all the way to the edges. Place the other half of the potato cake on top and use your fingers to push down the edges to seal it. If any of the filling starts coming through the side, just take a little bit of the potato mixture and seal up the hole. Heat up a cast iron pan over medium heat and add vegetable oil. You're gonna fry the potato cakes in batches. Add potato cakes to the hot oil and use a spatula to gently flatten the top just slightly. Pan fry these for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until very golden brown. Repeat until all the potato cakes are cooked, and don't forget to add more vegetable oil to the cast iron as you go. You can transfer the fried potato cakes to a wire rack to cool. For For serving, you can stir in another tablespoon of finely chopped kimchi into the remaining gochujang aioli for dipping, or spoon extra on the potato cakes. Garnish with some chives and serve right away. Oh yeah, baby, these vegan kimchi and mushroom stuffed potato cakes are looking beautiful, and I'm so stoked to eat them. I mean, I did take one little bite already, but you know, these are good even cold. Everyone loves cold potatoes. New favorite recipe. How can I just pick a favorite? I never can. Oh, these are so good. And they're the right amount of spice for me. You can increase that gochujang paste in the aioli or in the filling, or add more kimchi, or I don't know, whatever you want to do if you need more spice. But these are a perfect mild to medium. Actually, they're pretty mild because I'm handling it well. Oh my God, so good. Putting a little bit of that sauce in the middle and having it on the side. Yeah. Gotta do it, gotta do it. Of course you can make versions of this with different things in the middle. Mushrooms are a really good one because they're nice and moist. Beans, I think, would be not great because it's the same texture as potato, you know? So keep it crunchy, keep it fresh, mince it very finely. Oh my God, this is no problem to eat like lots of these. Serve it with a slaw. Do I have an Asian slaw? I have some kind of slaw. I forget, just search slaw on the blog. I literally can't keep track of all these recipes, I forget. Or just make a slaw, or get a bag of slaw, whatever, put vinegar on it. Obsessed. I want to eat more. Oh God. Well, you're probably wondering what I'm wearing. In case you don't know, I launched a new merch shop, hotforfoodblogshop.com. We'll take you there directly. I got a few styles. You've seen the Nooch God shirt. I got a Hot for Food ladies tee. I got Hot for Food totes. And I have this new Manifest Your Life shirt. If you follow along, if you're like a Lauren Toyota fan plus a Hot for Food fan, then you know what this is all about. If you don't care, just skip 15 seconds ahead to the end or whatever, or keep watching more Hot for Food. But this is a unisex style shirt. I'm wearing a small, so now they come in larger sizes, up to XL. Check the sizing chart. What am I, like 5 years old? The sizing chart. Are we leaving that in? Okay, check the sizing chart that is linked there so you can figure out the size you need, because you can't return the shirt, I'm sorry, or the chart. Okay, so anyways, manifest your life, okay? It's super fun. It's how you gotta live your life, deliberately and creatively. And anyways, you can go watch my other YouTube channel, Lauren in Real Life, where I talk more about this type of stuff. I vlog what I eat in a day. I travel and show you what I eat as a vegan, and it's just fun. You can meet all my friends on that channel. It's pretty cool. Okay, also I have a cookbook, of course, the Hot for Food Cookbook, Vegan Comfort Classics, 101 recipes to feed your face. Lots of recipes, stuff not on this channel, including some potato highlights like the waffle-topped cottage pie, which has a potato waffle, and the loaded fries supreme, and the bangers and mash, got some mashed potatoes in there. Then you take the mashed potatoes and you have leftovers, which you never have, but if you did, you would make the waffles out of those. Oh, and I know you want more potato recipes. There's lots on this channel. Check out these links. Keep on watching Hot for Food and cooking up vegan love in your own kitchen. Share the photos on social at Hot for Food as well. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.